You want to know more about this place? You want to know more about this place? All put our work together. This is one of the best projects in Tripura. A block into it. We have got an office.
Education teachers we cover होता है higher secondary teachers. And then if you have any doubt later, we have all the departments here. ये खोवाई NRLT के अंदर में था. खोवाई नॉर्थ, उनापुटी, सिपाही जला and west. The rest three, Dalai, Khomti and south, वो TRLF के अंदर में था. जब ये प्रोजेक्ट खत्म हुआ, अभी ये प्रोजेक्ट शुरू प्रोजेक्ट है. Sorry, but it project.
Tini Rural Economic Growth and Service Report. This is agricultural farming. আর রাস্তাঘাট যেটা এখন আছে আমি দেখছি যেমন এই যে চাম্পাগড় টু এদিকে শিকারি বাড়ি এই রাস্তাটা তো অনেকদিন ধরে সাফাই করা হয়েছে।
We'll see all after the meeting. मिनिमम और घर में कितना ले जाता है, प्रॉफिट कितना होता है? आज हमारे साथ जीवन जी है, who is also जीवन सब खरीद मिल जाएगा। ले जाएगा अभी नहीं, अभी रुको, हम पहले मीटिंग खत्म करेगा, सब सामान खरीदेंगे और क्या क्या अचार है तो मंगा के रखो।
थैपलॉक रखना तो थैपलॉक
नहीं है ये तो वो कैंडल रखते हैं, ये कैंडल अच्छा लाइट डेकोरेशन इसको तो वो भी बना सकता है,
टेबल लैंप।
We need to give more design to our people and more products. Good packaging, then you can market. Because otherwise, you will not be able to. They need at least, we should target in today's.
Not in charge, I'm one of the specialists.
One of the specialists working for our place in Tripura, and I just wanted to see what they had in their mind, and so that even the people around this area know what are the benefits we can get from this organization and the work that they're planning to do in this block, this area. So let's hope, we wish the team the very best in the coming years, that is successful, and from the organization and from the entire team, official team, we are all here to help them and see that it becomes one of a successful story for our people. Thank you.
Thank you.